Vicky here with you, and I'm super excited because I've got another little haul for you guys, and it's from Biggest Craft again. But before we get into the haul, I wanted to give you guys the update of what I've been doing. It's taking me forever. I'm really, it's been a while since I've done cross stitching, but I'm really loving the result, and hopefully you do as well. So I'm doing the boring part right now, all the edge. So I've done all of that, and I'm right over here. So, and I think I did a pretty good job on, like, when you look at the back, it's pretty clean. So I'm pretty happy with myself. Like I said, it's been a while since I had done that. So I'm looking forward to having finished the edge, because then once I've done that part, then the fun part of doing the reindeer is gonna come. And I'm doing that one first because that was the one that had the most comments as to being the one I should do first. So yeah, so that's how that project is coming along. But they liked my unboxing and asked if I wanted to review more products, and I'm having such a blast doing this that I said yes, especially since I saw some really cool things that I think you guys are going to really like. So I'm gonna keep the best for last. So these are, well, they're all good, but this one is even better. So this here is, I'm so excited about that one, because I'm not good like Francis is. Like, forget about making my own and, you know, writing my own plan. There's no way I could do that. Not yet anyway. Maybe one day, but not for now. And so, and I really love their kit because it comes with everything, and the sheet to explain how to do it, and all the stuff. So you're not lost. Like, you've got all the plan, and it's very detailed and very easy to follow. And you got all the colors, and this one is a really nice one too. Like, very beautiful. So I'm just gonna put this, be careful not to make it all a mess. But my thinking behind this one was the fact that Francis has sent me beautiful Christmas cards in the past with beautiful embroidery, cross stitch or needlework. And I thought that would be so cool to do, but there's no way that I could make my own. So when I saw this here, and it had so many different pieces, I just thought that would be really cool, because then you could cut around and use that as for your Christmas card. Isn't that cool? So you could cover like the edge with paper, but just glue that piece down, and I just love that idea. So that's why I got this one. And by the way, all the links to all the products are going to be in the description box below, so you can go and check them out. Their prices are really good, and they're quite fast in shipping. Like, very happy with how fast they ship out the stuff. So if you don't know them and you haven't ordered from them, I give them a try. Like I said, really happy. And I love these bags because, as you could see in the other one, of course I can't put it back together because that's how I roll. There's a seal here, which makes this very easy to carry with you. And you don't need to have a separate pouch, which is really convenient, because when I brought this with me when I went to the Eastern Townships, and so I had the pouch closed, and I knew I wasn't going to lose anything, and it was just very convenient. So I really love that. So that's the first one. Then this one, I'm pretty sure you're going to figure out who this is for. I'm giving myself a chance, sorry about the noise, I'm giving myself the chance of time because it's gonna take me a while to do this one. It's a big one, but it's just beyond adorable. If I can pull out the design, check out how cute that little bunny is. Isn't she just adorable? I just thought she was so cute and would make a perfect thing to give to my stepmom. So I figured I have time because her birthday was in November and Christmas is next year. So because definitely not Christmas this year, because there's no way I could finish this. But I'm loving it so much that I can actually get this done. I'm pretty sure I'm getting faster as I'm going because you know, it's been a while since I had done this. Now this last one is so exciting, but this one I haven't done since I was a teenager, so that's even longer. And it's this here. It's a pillow and it's with those hooks. So you've got the whole thing, and I'm so excited to try this out. So this is the pattern. So it's a beautiful horse. Check that out. And so you've got here. Whoops, my little hook is stuck inside. I need to take it out. What happened? Come on, little hook. Oh man, I've got a feeling like I'm just gonna make it worse. Okay, so I need to close this thing up. Okay, come on. Struggle. The struggle is real. Okay, so maybe with it closed, yeah, with it closed, it's gonna help. So this is the pillow, and the backing is already on it, which is amazing because then that means I don't have to do that. And this is, and I think this one, the pattern, it might be easier to follow, hopefully, because yeah, so I think it should be easier to do, and I haven't done this in so long, so I've got a feeling that I'm gonna have to check out how to do it. But then you've got all the fibers and everything, and the hook, and then you can just go and have fun. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, this was relatively easy to do. But like I said, I haven't done this in a long time, so I'm gonna have to check out how to. Oh, see, they do show it. So you put it on, then you thread it through, and then I'm confused because I haven't done this in so long. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check how to do this again, just because I don't want to mess it up. But I've got a feeling that because it's those hooks things, they're gonna be a lot faster, and the design is like there's big chunk where it's all the same color, so it should be easier to, so that I don't have so much counting, you know, to try to figure it out. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to doing that. So those are the projects that I decided to go with and to share with you guys. I thought they have a few designs with this type of process, And I don't know if you're like me and you haven't done that in a while, but I thought this would be a really fun project. And as we're getting closer to the holidays, I'm going to have some time during the holidays, and that's the type of thing that I wouldn't mind doing while I'm watching TV or something, because I can't just watch TV. I need to have something on in my hand. So that's going to be the projects that I'm thinking about. So my first thing is getting my reindeer done. That's the first thing. Then I'm going to be trying out this, possibly to, I would love to be able to send at least one card with it, because I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to finish them all. But then I want to get into this one, and then the bunny will come after. So go and check out Biggest Craft. You're going to really love them, I'm sure. And as I mentioned, all the items are in the description box below, the links, so go and check them out. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, and I would love to know what you think of my reindeer so far. Please be kind. Love you. Bye.